N.E.W.S news for our upper the 23rd of September.
Straight into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is puku,
which is te reo for tummy, as in Tirohia taku puku. Look at my tummy.
You look hiakai.
Yeah, can't wait for market day tomorrow.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Inter-house spelling bee news. Congratulations to the year 3 and 4 finalists yesterday.
We'll find out the results at assembly on Friday.
Today is the year 5 and 6s. Please come to the library at 12:40 with a pencil for spelling louder, y'all.
That's you in room 9, Matthew, and in room 10 we have Olesia, Vanessa, Jack, Kendrick, and Giselle.
From room 11 it's Casie, Richard, that's us, Olesia, and Owen. Kia kaha, everyone. Good luck!
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below, the one we're sitting on.
Yeah.
Kind of hurts.
Okay. Sandpit and sports gear news. Thank you to all the students returning gear and toys to the correct places at the end of interval and lunchtime. Ka pai.
Okay, as you can see behind us,
Yeah.
tomorrow is market day.
The year 7 and 8s are selling everything from food and games to badges and crafts.
To find out more about all the products and services on offer, you can visit the room 12 and 13 class blogs.
There you'll find all the information you could possibly need, including prices, product data, research and production photos.
Also on the blogs are the TV adverts we've been running over the last week.
Those addresses for the blogs are also linked to the text box on the YouTube channel.
And all the teachers have the links to the blogs too. Go on, click it!
Okay, Casie, I gotta ask you, what have you been saving your money for?
I'm thinking a small tasty treat, or perhaps a house bed, or a piece of craft. What about you?
Slushing. Then I want to smack Mr. T with a noodle and get some lip balm.
Da me da pretty. Right on! Well, remember to bring your money tomorrow so you can swap it for N.E.W.S.
Money. Yes, each class will have time for swapping money in the morning before unleashing the shopping.
Yes. Okay, that's all for the WINTON School news. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and keep up the good work, WINTON School.
We'll leave you today with some of Room 13's TV adverts for Market Day tomorrow. Bye.
I'm sick of all my old stationery.
Is your desk looking bland? Need some colour in your life?
Wow! Thanks, Pimp My Desk, for all these cool pencil cups, pens, and bookmarks.
Come on down and pimp your desk at Pimp My Desk. Pencil cups, $4. Funky pens and pencils, $3. And bookmarks, 2 small ones for $1 or 1 large one, also for $1. Buy now or cry later. We've got all your stationery needs at Pimp My Desk.
Do you feel stressed? Sore? Or even just uncomfortable?
So what are you going to do about it?
So what's got you covered?
Nah, bro, have a wheat sack.
Relax. Hey man, chill yourself out.
Come on down to Soda for all your sewing goods. From wheat sacks to stress balls, we got it covered.
boring.
Why are we even here?
When do we get our wheat backs?
Are you serious? Yeah, this is kind of fun.
This is so boring.
Yeah, we really need some colour around here. Let's go. These will do the trick.
Awesome! Pookoo is the best. I love the color. Oh my gosh, I just love them and it makes me feel so alive. I love being on sunshine.
Yeah. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.